Okay, we're going to look at bearings in this video. There's essentially three rules to bearings. Okay, the first rule is north is naught or north is zero. Okay, so do that now. There's another rule there. I have to use 3 digits every time I write a bearing. So east is 90 degrees and we measure clockwise. There you go. There's your 3 rules. So we've got those there. So I've written them on there. It's always worth bearing in mind these are the compass points. Due east, that's often called as 090. Now northeast is halfway between 0 and 90. Oops. So there we go. So we should have, what's that, 135. And basically there's 45 degrees between all of these, isn't there? So that should be fairly straightforward. But you always measure clockwise. Now that means that your compass, I mean, I was reading compass there, your protractor, okay, is always going to be that way up or this way up. If the straight bit is sort of horizontal, as far as you're concerned, you're going to be doing it wrong, basically. So your protractor must be, protractor, okay, can't write very well with this pen, okay, protractor's either that way up, it basically is on its side, if you know what I mean. So if we have a look at this, we're calculating the bearing of B from A. Now the thing with bearings questions is they're worded a bit oddly. So they could have said from A to B. So the bearing of A to B would be, you'd just read it off here. Now often these aren't drawn to scale, but the same thing of A to B is B from A. So it means you're at B and you've gone from A. So there you go. First one, well, they've marked that nicely there, so that's 048. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward. We've got to use 3 digits because that's one of the rules of bearings. Now the second one, right, it says calculate the bearing of A from B. So I'm at B and I'm going to A. Now that's actually this angle here. Okay, because I want to go clockwise and I measure from north. So what I've got to do is I've got to, and I'll use a different colour actually, where orange will do. So I need to know this angle here, which is 180 minus the 48, so that's 132. And then my bearing of A from B would be A from B is going to be 360. Take away that 132 because 48 and 132 make 180. So that's 260, 230, 228. So there you go. So 3 rules. North is naught. Measure clockwise. Use 3 digits.